Hi everyone, welcome to this video on linear algebra. In this video I'm going to look at solving linear equations, and then in the next video I'm going to have a look at solving simultaneous equations using different methods there. So just going to go through these really quickly. Hopefully these are fairly familiar. To begin with, 4 times 2x take 5 equals 3 times x plus 3. So I'm going to expand out the brackets on both sides of the equation. So we'll get 8x minus 20 equals 3x plus 9. And then it's just a matter of moving everything to one side, so moving all of the x's to one side and moving all the numbers to the other. So I'm going to take away 3x on both sides, so 5x. I'm also going to add 20 on both sides, equals 29, and then divide everything by 5 to get x equals 29 on 5. And there we have it. We should just leave it in that exact form. No need to take it any further. Question B, x plus 1 all over 6 equals 4 times x take 2 all over 3. Noticing here that these two sides of the equation have a denominator with a common factor. And so I'm going to just multiply by the larger denominator, and that should cancel out both of the denominators. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. So the 6's on the left hand side will cancel each other out, leaving just x plus 1. On the right hand side, the 3 will cancel out with the 6, but it leaves a factor of 2 still there, and so that's going to multiply with the numerator, leaving 8 out the front of x take 2. I'll now expand out the right hand side, so x plus 1 equals 8x minus 16. And then I'm going to move all the x's to one side, move all the numbers to the other. So I'm going to first take away x and add 16. So 17 equals 7x. And then dividing by 7, going to get x equals 17 on 7. Again, leave it in that exact form. Question C, it's a fairly straightforward one. I'm just going to go through using opposite operations. I'm going to add 9 to both sides to begin with. So 2x on 5 equals negative 6. I'm then going to multiply by 5. So 2x equals negative 30. Then I'm going to divide by 2. So x equals negative 15. And the last one, well, the problem here is that the x is in the denominator, so we need to make ourselves in the numerator. I'm going to just use cross multiplication. So we're going to multiply by 3x, take 5 on both sides of the equation. We're also going to multiply by 7 on both sides of the equation. So we're going to end up with 14 equals 5 out the front of 3x take 5. Expanding out the right hand side, we get 15x minus 25. We can add 25 to both sides and then divide by 15. And well, we could simplify that one there. Just thinking about the other ones, no, they don't simplify. So this one here can simplify because 3 goes into both of these numbers, and so that becomes 13 on 5. And there we have it. So, yep, that's solving linear equations. As I said, I will follow up with simultaneous equations in the next video. So see you then.